What happened? Rabbit.
Rabbit?
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
Yeah, it's so sweet.
Rabbit.
And
oh
you
my
eat
God.
and you eat black cat.
Any cat, if you prepare it finish.
¿Usted come conejo o no?
No.
No, the conejo is sweet too, right? Rabbit.
Rabbit very sweet.
Yeah.
But is you know, if you want to prepare it, you have to be very careful because of the is the hair. You have to make your hair clean. And the cat too. If you want to prepare cat, you have to prepare it very well, because if you swallow the hair, it can make you cough.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you have to do it nice. When you do it nice, fry it, cut it, put it in soup with very sweet.
And you like hot sauce, right?
What?
Hot sauce.
Also is very good for health.
Yeah. I know
That's
that.
why people know strong. I'm strong. You believe I'm 50. I'm hit heart. You know, heart is very good for health. It makes you strong. It gives
I
you
know
energy.
they say like that.
Yeah, you will sweat, you will sneeze, you do everything. But all this food that you don't have is not good for body. Then 1, 2. You know what happened to why African people always strong? We don't use to. You have to take some bitter something. Don't use to sweet something.
Oh, okay.